For one Gentilly resident, repetitive complaints of a large sinkhole isn't enough for attention.
It almost happened overnight. We came out here and there was this tremendous hole next to my sewer. And about 3 days later, it was even deeper.
At the surface, the hole may seem small, but as you look, it actually extends a few yards under the street. Regina Heisler noticed the hole was at least 10 feet deep, saying that you can lose an entire man in the hole. To fix this problem, she immediately began calling to see who was responsible.
When I started calling the water company, who told me it was the street department's problem, who told me it was the water problem, so I called them again. They sent a test truck out here. Then they told me it was the street department's problem. So nobody wants to take blame for it.
With only writing on the ground as warning, the hole could remain hazardous to children, dogs, and the number of runners in the neighborhood, as the hole isn't very visible from the surface. In result, Ms. Heisler took matters into her own hands. She now has a safety cone covering the hole.
About 2 weeks ago, they were working on the street putting handicap ramps in, and they had several cones around. And I stopped and I asked the man, would you please come put one in front of my house? And he came down and he took one look and he saw it was just paint, and he brought me a cone.
The Department of Public Works and the Sewage and Water Board left a statement with us stating they coordinated inspection efforts to determine the extent of the damage to its drain line.
Something needs to be done with them immediately for everyone's safety.
The Department of Public Works is now working to resolve this draining issue and will make repairs as soon as possible to ensure the safety of the residents.